So before I put this on YouTube, I edit this on CapCut for a reason. And part of the reasons is because within this tutorial, I had to cut out certain parts of the video because it was something that came up while I was trying to show images or whatever. So it's a little bit of edit, so might be some chops here and there headed towards around the 20-minute marks. But other than that, enjoy the tutorial. Let's begin. Back, ladies and gents, I'm using Bluetooth headphones, so hopefully these work pretty good. What I should have done was take this off right here so I can go ahead and, all right, cool, made it much more faster. So the last video that we did for part 2 on using the web browser, which I'm using Firefox on my S23 Ultra Note phone, of using Leonardo AI. We had went through using the image guidance scale and having fun using the base Excel model and cinematic and different things. And the image that we was using, this one was like, yeah, let's try out high, smooth, and came up with something that could easily probably get this video flagged. But apart from that though, I just thought that was pretty funny. So with that, let's continue. So while actually for this particular video, we're going to take off the image guidance. I'm gonna actually take this off for the time being. We're gonna come back to it. And what I'm going to do as well is change it up. So let's go to the Fusion XL like I said it was going to before. I'm gonna take out the tune and anime. I'm gonna actually take out the element in general. We're just gonna take it off. I'm not gonna use this particular Laura. You guys will know what the Lauras actually mean. Go towards part 6 or part 7. No, part 5 or part 6 on my beginning Leonardo AI video at the computer desktop edition. I was going to separate them. You know what? I'll do that later because I was keeping my tutorials in one particular folder because I don't want to have multiple things like this is for this place. You know what? I'll create a different playlist to make sure you guys know which videos go into which. You know what? No. I'll take it back. I'm not going to do that. What I'm going to do is for the titles, I make sure they label this is for the phones, this is for the tablets, all the rest of that fun stuff. So we're going to use, and you also could use this on the web version on iOS or Android, but we're using the Android phone for my Android users out there. And what we're going to do while we're inside a web browser is click on the dice, which gives you a different random prompt. But let's say you don't want to run the prompt. Let's say you have something simple like this, slipping into daylight or whatever. Let's go ahead and press improve prompt. So what the dice going to do is going to improve it. And does a reset like that. So as you see, slip into daylight. The main subject of this image is a graceful ballerina emerging from the shadows. Okay, that's okay. You know, let's go ahead and do this. Let's go ahead and make sure that I don't have 8 images assigned and put it on 4. And I'll keep it by the 1:1 ratio. And you know what? Let's actually have some more fun with that. So this is what we're going to do. Let's just try to press back off of this because, dang it. Respawn, there we go. When you are recording on Android, and I was trying to move the timer around to another part of the page. For some odd reason, there we go. I was like trying to move it one way or another. So let me move it towards the side. Perfect. And then I want to move the way I wanted to move. Okay, whatever. Timer is in the way as I'm recording this video. So I'm like, all right, can't even move it around or want to move it around. Anyway, so let's go back here. We'll keep it on cinematic. Keep the images at 1.1. Let's go ahead and hit generate. Like I said, I'm using the Fusion XL. which works best on shorter prompts because Vision XL works better on longer prompts. But I want to use diffusion because the first video that I did was using the web browser on Android. I had used Vision XL, so I'll show you guys the different ones that's on here. And like I mentioned in my iPad video, I think would be part 2 or part 3. When it comes with whatchamacallit, the image generator, you can see the little numbers of the generating. Because on the app versions on the iPad and the iPhone, it's a little line. It's like this color that goes through to show you that the picture is generating. So we got some pretty dope pictures of, like I said, some of the daylight with the ballerina and stuff like that and everything. Not per se my cup of tea, but for somebody else, it could be for them. I'm gonna go ahead and make these public because this is one of the test videos. These, on the other hand, I'm not. I'm gonna keep those for myself and play around with those. But let's go ahead and touch up the image a little bit. So what I'm going to do is just hit them with a medium smooth for the refiner to have most of these images, because I can, you can see some deficiencies within it, like the way that her face is looking and everything. Even with this one, her mouth is kind of off and everything. So the refiner will fix, as it says, fix some things up in the image, but it might also change some of the facial or colorations of the individual. I think that's something Leonardo's still working on. So, but while those are generate the refiner, let's go ahead and hit generate again, but I'm going to use the same image we did before. So for this one, I'm going to do pose to image. Keep this strength where it is. And we're going to generate using this prompt in this image right here and see what we get. Let's have some fun, y'all. Basically, you guys are getting the image guidance video off here on this Samsung. Because for the app that they have for iOS, they have image to image input, but they don't have the full image guidance thing yet. So once that happens, I'll do an update video for you guys. And this is part 3 of the video as well too. So let me see. The ones for the iPad is done. These 2 are done, so that's 5. And then I put 4, 5, 6, and 7. That's 4. That's 4, 7. Okay, so we get it close. And not bad. For the image guidance, it didn't really do the same pose to image, but actually can't really tell. Can't really tell, to be honest. Can't really tell, to be honest. Let me see. So our medium smooth compared towards the original on the originals. Shoot, the originals look way more. This original way more better than this one. Let's do a high. Let's do high smooth, because high smooth always gives something pretty much more funkier. Okay, this is a good one. Because if you remember the original image, that was that. On the medium smooth, that's pretty good. Same thing with this one to clean up her facial expression. Because original, ooh, that major change. Major change. Same thing with this one. Actually, the original wasn't bad. The original wasn't bad. Both of them are actually pretty good. Both of them are actually pretty good. You can tell in the background too. If you look at the drapes and everything, it changes up. Even including with the pillars and a little bit of coloration of everything else. I said that hella fast. Did not pay attention to what I was saying. That's the medium smooth, and this is high smooth. High smooth, clean up everything. Clean up the hands, clean up the composition. Way better at the same time. Clean up the background image as well too. It took the mirror out or the door and gave it a full wall. And this from the image to image input that we had did. But I'm gonna also make these public for anybody that wants to use a ballerina thing. So for the image guidance, let's use another one of the other inputs. I'm gonna go in here, go all the way. Let's see. That's right. Because it have to be the same size. So we use this one. Let's go with this one right here. Looking like a samurai in a sense. Image to image cannot be combined with other image guidance for Excel models, photoreal. So how can we not if we're already using this one? We're gonna try it out anyway, so I don't care. We're gonna put edge to image. There we go. Actually, let's put depth to image for this one. I'll put the strength at 66. So now we got two of them within here. But this is what I'm also gonna do. Let's say what happens when you put an image that's not the same ratio and everything. Let's do the sugar skull from a video series that I did before. Off of Dea Desla Mirto, so I would pronounce it. Image cannot be combined with other image guidance for, oh, that's just for XM models and yada yada yada. Well, I don't care because for this one, we're going to hit pose and we're going to set the aspect ratio on here. Did it set the aspect ratio? Okay, no, I didn't. So we'll keep it like this. And like I said, we're just going to have fun with it. I'm going to put a higher shelf on here. So I got 4 different images. Okay, this one's pose to shrimp. So let me change this one to, was that this edge to image? And let's go keep it at the 3. Let's keep it the 3 that we have. What I'm actually going to do for this particular picture, let's take this one out. Let's go to the top that you guys see. And okay, let's go ahead and go one of these. Let's go ahead and use this one now. And we'll put this as, we'll put for depth image. We'll put at a lower strength. We got 3 of them. And what we're about to do is choose a new prompt. So go with the randomizer. I'm going to hit new random prompt. And we got in the enchanted realm of a captivating light painting photograph. Da 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 da. Huh. I'm gonna take the painting thing out. And part of the reason why I'm gonna take that out is because well shoot, if it allows me to, there we go. Because I don't want the image, and we did that on one of the desktop versions. That it shows certain pictures that have be paint. I don't want it to be looking paint with paint and everything on there. Keep it as a photograph. Don't need to be looking paint. You can also change this around as well too to your liking. So I'm gonna keep it like that. I'm gonna change this to vibrant. Hit generate. Go to generate history, and I'm going to also put creative because that's the one I was calling out. And I'm going to do photography since we got photography inside the picture. Inside the prompt. Let's go ahead and do that. It's using the Fusion XL. And as you see, we're using we're going to call this video the image guidance video. We're using different sizes, 1.1, 16.9, and 4.7 to play around with a 1.1 image. No element, have the negative of this. This is the prompt generation because you can also add more to it, but it's the image guidance that we're using. It says 7-4, but that's actually 16.9. Oh, this is very unique. So let me explain what just happened. So since the skull is one that's popping up the most, that's because in our image, it has the same strength as the other particular photo for the image guidance. But this is the edge to image. So this one is guiding more of the image as opposed to supposing and everything. So the reason why we're getting more of this images right here is because it's guiding my image generation as opposed to this one with the pose of it. So that lets me know that all these images we're about to get is about to be the different sugar skulls. And to be real with the prompt, it actually made it pretty dope. It gave it a very nice, this one was cinematic, if I'm not mistaken. There's a little person right here at the bottom. This actually goes pretty hard. Which one is this one? View the generation info, and this one is vibrant. Okay, this is the vibrant one for the preset. That's vibrant. This is actually pretty dope. I might actually keep these and make this into a video. This is creative for the preset. Pipeline is Alchemy version 2. And this one is the whatchamacallit? Photography. Now, I like the intricate designs that they have in it. This is actually pretty dope. Well, it did say like photography, so it did blend with it, but the designs that it gave within it though makes it go dope. So this one could relate more to Sugar Skull. So what I'm about to do is Alchemy, Refiner, High Smooth, refine it. But what I'm also going to do as well too, the same image, is I'm going to low smooth it. So you guys can see the difference between low, smooth, and high. And then less than ooh. Turn my head 1 second to look at the iPhone because let's go do the iPhone tutorial in a few minutes. And it's gonna be an introduction. Actually, it need to be for the app because I'm not quite certain if I did the app version for it yet. Let me see. So for this image, this is low smooth, and this is high smooth. Interesting. High smooth gave us something a little bit different. Low smooth gave it to where very outwardly. So what we're going to also do right now is do medium smooth. You guys hear the icing truck in the background. And then I'm going to do low regular. medium, regular. As you guys can see, it says it right there. And we'll go with high, regular. See, accessing refine versions, it has all right there. Low, normal, medium, normal, low, smooth, medium, smooth, high, smooth. And now we got high, normal. And I'll be nice. I'll make these public. For anybody to want to use and switch up. So I'm going to say this right now. In my tutorial test videos, I will make some of the images public for you guys to use. I'm thinking on, yeah, I'll go ahead and do it. You know what? Except for these. Because this one, I actually want to play around with. Matter of fact, let's do that right now. We're going to use all the refiners on here. Because this one, I might actually, probably on the computer, we'll do another canvas video. If you guys do enjoy those canvas videos. And I might actually add more extension towards it. So stay tuned. Because I might be coming sometime this week. Or let me know in the comments. Let me know in the comments. And if you guys want to see that. And the only reason why I'm saying it because I'm digging the colors that's blended with it. As an artist in my own right as well too. Artistic value of inspiration comes in many forms. Because what I probably actually might do, you know what? We're good on time on the video, so I'm not tripping about it. Let's go back to the other image, which was a dope one right here. So this is low, normal. Medium, normal. You could tell the difference between, like, low will keep it to how the actual original picture kind of look. Just kind of enhance it a little bit. Medium does a little bit much more enhancement with the normalcy, but it also changes it up a little bit. High normal, you get this right here. So there's a whole lot of different changes, but still kind of keep the original style of how it is. When you smooth it out, is where things start changing up. Things get look much more cleaner, but also start giving much more details and everything else and stuff like that. Because this right here is just something completely different. It's like a Picasso or something. But I can see somebody come to my page and snatching this up and use this for your own products or whatever. And if so, hey, make sure you tag me. Make sure you say, hey, got it from ChinchillaQ's video off of LeonardoAi. Y'all keep 100% of your proceeds. Wow. So, this is a very interesting one. This was the original image. This is low normal. Change the image up a little bit with the little person in the background. So call it Skull Mountain. Think of Skull Mountain in whatchamacallit? And Lion King, in a sense. Medium normal. So you got the person, they switching around, but you see with the skull is changing up as well too. The signs is different. I think the flower changed as well too. Yeah, the flower changed, the background change. That's medium. It's high normal. The person that disappears somewhere. And the flower disappears as well too. And the person that was right here is gone. And everything. So we go to low smooth. Low smooth just change everything. It's not even a skull. It just shows, okay, there we go. There goes the zoom in feature. Hey, turn up. Didn't know you just long press on the dang screen and do that. Dang nabbit. Perfect. So as you can tell, got many different elements, but this is very artistic though, because you can get inspiration just for the blend of the colors alone. Like I'm gonna have to use this image. I'm about to use this one. Let's go ahead and download. Let's download the load smooth. Yeah. There's the reason being. I'm about to do something different in a few minutes. What medium smooth look like? Ooh, medium smooth make it look much more. Oh, I can't do. I'm lump. Dang it. I can't go up and down. Okay, screw it then. I'm gonna download medium smooth as well too. That's pretty dope. Like that's the sun or particular moon, and then you got the rest like a different outwardly universe type of image. Like it changed from the skull to something else. Let's go with high smooth. What we get? Nice, nice. Download that. Let's go with high normal. I'm gonna grab the skull, download, exit out. Yeah, I'm keeping these. Y'all can have the other ones, but I'm keeping them. Y'all lucky I'm giving you guys this one right here now. But damn, it like jumped to the other images. Should I go all the way down like that? Okay, so I'm going to keep this right here. What I'm going to change out, and I'm gonna put this by 16 by 9. I mean 9 by 16, 9 by 16, which is phone size. I'm gonna put 8 images. I'm gonna keep everything what it is. Exit out. We're gonna stay on Diffusion XL. And that one was the photography. The other one, let me see, the other one down here. This was vibrant, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, that was vibrant. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go into the image guidance, and I'm about to switch up the pictures. So got pose, edge, and depth. So let's see. I'm gonna keep this though. Nope, we ain't trying to do that. We ain't trying to do that. This is gonna be the edge. Get the strength at 1. And for the third one, this is going to be the pose. This is going to be unique. And as you can tell, because we're using a different aspect ratio, the tokens change. Well, I'm going to hit generate. I careless if it is 42 tokens. We got some dope, cool generations. I'm trying to figure out what the heck this line is from. Interesting. You seen the lines that was on here. So as these pictures are generating for this tutorial, it's another 30 minutes. My bad, y'all. But I'm gonna show you guys exactly how you can have fun using the web version on your Android smartphones. So let me see something. Ooh, I don't want to hit that again. Trying to hit the timer on here. Oops. Damn it, I didn't mean to do that. Here we go. As you can tell, the numbers is still generating the image. What I'm actually trying to do is hit the timer on my Samsung phone. And it's not allowing me to do that. So yeah, this is still has its issues. Let's see. You guys look like, why are you pressing the screen? I'm actually like, why are the little thing pressing? I'm trying to hit where the recording thing is at. You know what? Let me just clean this out. And let's see why it's going slow again. Put in a portrait. Portrait. Flip it like this. And hopefully. Yeah, that still didn't do what it was supposed to be doing. Interesting. All right. F it. And we still generate the images. Like, damn. Should already been done. All right. While we waited for this to happen and everything, it's still generating. And this video is going longer than what it's supposed to be going. I've been trying to give you guys short videos. But I know for certain tutorials, they glance through a whole lot of stuff and everything. I know most folks don't catch everything about 8 minutes or whatnot. Some folks do, some folks don't. But it takes time. All right, cool. And Wi-Fi went off on the iPad as I'm trying to upload part 2 of the beginner Leonardo video. Okay, since we're back online, perfect. It is taking 4% of a upload. Good grief. Thought this video had been done a long time ago as well too. Y'all gotta love technology. We're using AI for AI generations, but Wi-Fi can't be as simple as AI. And I got charged with that iPad. Good grief. And this thing is still generated. Good grief. So long ass generation, and you know what? I know what the issue is as well too. Hopefully it does not stop the video if I do that. You guys might be like, we talk about stuff in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and say this at a time. If this does stop the video, thank you guys for tuning in. I will continue to show you what those images will look like from the iPhone app. But like I said, hopefully I do not like the new, whatchamacallit. Actually, the new 6.0 for Samsung's UI is interesting. But we try to click out from here. Like you see, it goes back. So it might be a bug with this. X out of that. So if this right here, what I'm about to do for the memory, stops the video, then my most humble apologies. And I'll catch you guys next time. If it doesn't, okay, we're good. Perfect. Because I was going to stop the video if it did. All right. Let me refresh this page. And hopefully it gets done with the generations. It's still generating. Good, great. That is, you know what? And it might probably be because of whatchamacallit. It took out the other ones that we had. Yeah, because we had reset it. Okay, it's cool. It's cool. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.